Ayan, good morning uli. Luto kami ng breakfast namin. Ayan, ganyan kami. Ganito po kami kapag nagka-camping. Dito sa tabing dagat, nag-fishing kami. Ayan, ang rad namin. May kape. Kape is live.
It's coffee time.
Coffee time, yan. Merong milk, may coco, may water, and no water.
Coconut water. Oh, nice coffee.
And ayan, magluluto si Noel ng
Hotdog,
hotdog,
bacon,
bacon, and egg,
and
and
egg.
sandwich with tomato and avocado. Yan po ang aming almusal this morning.
Beautiful. Beautiful day. The sunstorm pa. No good. You need this one for the sunstorm. Look. Yesterday, my God, too much sun. Because strong wind, they blowing all the sun here. So you need this one. Otherwise,
Wear it. Yan.
even now, still you need the sun. I think because of
Of the sand.
the vehicle, they bring all the
No, because we're lower. It's higher up there. There's a lot of
maybe
from the beach. Oh, di ba? Yan po. Flip it again. Naks!
just a shape, you know.
Kala mo totoo? Oo, flip again.
Ganun talaga mga shape. Pati itlog, piniplip. Tsamba lang po yun.
And now is King Bacon. Bacon.
Uy!
Para po kami nagbabaybahayan.
Bacon deluxe.
Ito po ang aming higaan. Yan, kabila. Mahabang breakwater po ito. You're allowed kang mag sleep over na kahit ilang araw. Tapos gusto ko dito kasi nakapark yung camper van mo. Tapos pagbukas mo ng pinto,
Fishing na.
dagat na kaagad, fishing na. Hindi ka na magpapagod na maghihila-hila pa ng mga gamit mo kagaya sa pier. Dito, ayan na oh. Pagising mo ng maga, makikita mo yung dagat agad.
May kasama pang free sun. Sunblocks.
It's only today.
I know. Not just joking.
Oh, give that to me. I'll put that in here after.
Maybe later.
You don't have enough space there.
Mamaya na.
And now the bacon is cooked.
Oh yeah.
Put him in there.
Alright.
Smells so nice.
Now,
The sausages.
sausage.
Okay.
Maybe it's better I cook it all. So one cook only.
ang hotdog ni Noel.
Special.
Special. It's not pork, it's beef. Beef hotdog. Yan po, pinagkasya nyo na po sa isang lagay. And now he's cutting. Ay, don't cut like that.
How?
Pabilog lang. Yung buong bilog, pang sandwich pa.
Dito na eh.
Oh, that's yours. Gusto ko bilog. Thank you, Mal.
For me, it should be alright like this.
Me no, that's it. Like that. Sausage nearly cooked. Oh, they're fishing over there. People are fishing in front of us. I think they're catching something there. Ay, may nahuli nga sila pa.
Ano? Oh, nahuli niya yung bird. Ayun oh.
No, I know the other guy, the black guy, wearing a black jacket.
The wearing brown one, he catch a bird.
Yeah.
Look,
No.
look, the bird, they pulling the bird. Look,
I know your head.
see, they now closing the boat. The bird.
Oh yeah, he did too.
See?
Grabe yung camera ng S25 oh. Naka 10 times zoom na yan ha. Ang linaw-linaw.
He catch the bird.
They got your bird. He released it already. But the guy on the block, he caught something before. And ito po ang normal. Yan po. Oo, kaya ganun po sila kalayo. He released the bird.
Good man.
And the hot dog is nearly ready. Okay guys, thanks for watching. We're gonna have breakfast later. Bye bye.